All right, so I bought this here. Star Wars 12 Days of Socks. Disney. Now, I bought it thinking that the socks are Star Wars related. But it doesn't say anything. It just says 12 Days of Socks, 5 pairs of crew socks, 7 pairs of ankle socks. On here it says men's box set Star Wars multi. I'm a little nervous because you couldn't open it to see. So let's see what we got. I don't want to wreck anything in case I have to take it back.
Oops.
Okay, very nice. I guess you just open up the different days. Very cool.
You're due for 2 days since it's the
Do you
second.
think? You think that means it's the 12 days? What do you think the 12 days are? What are the 12 days of Christmas?
On the first day of Christmas.
Supposed to be 12 days before Christmas? So I can't open any of them now?
I don't know.
Oh my God. Well, anyway, this looks awesome. So,
Not sponsored, by the way.
what? Not sponsored. Got these, I picked this up at Shoppers Drug Mart.
If you want to get one.
Yeah. And peek though in here. They are Star Wars related.
No more peeking.
Excellent. So now we got to figure out what 12 days of Christmas are. 12 days of socks. Unbelievable. I don't even want to touch it. Don't want to wreck it.
Collectible.
I think you can open it this way too then. Without having to wreck this. Very neat. I'm satisfied.
I'm satisfied.
I'm satisfied. Thank you.
You're welcome.